What's the meaning of assay? Assay. Assay.
Assay. Assay. The term assay refers to a type of analysis or test used to determine the presence, quality, or quantity of a particular substance. The result of an assay can vary depending on the substance being tested for and the methodology used in the assay. For example, an assay for a drug might determine its purity and concentration, while an assay for a specific protein might measure its activity or binding affinity. Assays are commonly used in science, medicine, and industry to ensure product quality and safety, as well as to advance our understanding of biological processes.